Alrighty, friends, we are here. Mo Mummy. The sun is setting in Durango. Look how beautiful that is. Let's start with a max bet bonus first spin. I said it so loud. Do it. Oh, Mr. Mummy. Come on, now. Do it. Okay, at least a line hit. Or, my goodness, people. Is he trying to trick me? Max bet madness. Yeah, he's trying to trick me. Look at those first few numbers he gave. Okay. We'll take it, we'll take it. I guess not. We would have taken it, but we just love to see the little mummy run across the screen when we're betting big. Well, bigger than usual. Where are you, Mr. Mummy? Jackpot. We were on this machine earlier today. And we've been here for a long time because the sun is setting now. The sun is setting now, and we were here from start of morning, doing some crazy stuff, playing big, having fun with wifey, playing some online poker along the way. Okay, I mean, hello? Free games? Free games was so ridiculous earlier on this machine. It was hilarious. Still favors to be hilarious because of the bonuses that leave something to be desired. Am I right? It's just $3. Okay. Yes. Excuse me. Okay, okay. Wifey said she's back. She's gonna play in another machine behind me. That is funny. A couple that gambles together stays together. Is that what they say? Go, 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 go. One of you. All three of you. Guys, we're still looking for the elusive triple pop. Triple would be crazy to get. Oh my goodness. Why not us? Okay. Alright, Mr. Mummy. Let's see what you're trying to do over here. Okay. At least we're getting a lot of gems, because we were playing earlier and no gems are popping up. The little greenies are sure bountiful. Come on now. Wild, wild. Run across the screen, please. Oh? Oh? To 150. Oh? It tricked me into another bet. It definitely did. You can get the shaky on this, or the whatever, haywire. Relatively, it's not easy actually, I should say. What am I saying? But it does, it's what triggers the bonus a lot of the time. Speaking of that, whamboozled. I've been whamboozled by Mo Mummy, people. Wham bam. Thank you, man. Nope. I'm left with 60 cents and my thoughts, but I will be back. Stay tuned. Alright, people, I told you not to go anywhere. We are back. Part 2, intermission. $100 in. Well, yes. It was so slow, I don't know why. It was like it's very slow. The sounds, okay. Usually when it's like quiet like that, it does that. It's like gonna add something to the pile. But, you know, the sun is still setting. We're in beautiful Las Vegas. Trying hard. We appreciate every one of you watching and subscribing and commenting and giving us love, because, you know, we're not making money off of YouTube, really. So the friendships we make, the fun we get to share with y'all, that's what's actually really powerful. And if we win in these games, then, you know, that is an absolute bonus, right? $5. Speaking of that, let's go $5 and see what happens. Nothing? Why nothing? Let's go to 10 cents for $5 a little bit. I know it's not max bet. We were doing max bets earlier. Let's see what happens. We got a bonus at 10 cents, $5 earlier, and it was ridiculous. It was free spins, and we got bet $5 and won $11. True story. All truth to that story. Oh, $15 to start. Yes, please. Okay. Mr. Mummy, where you at? Okay. They're showing up, people. Okay. Let's at least see that there's a chance. I at least like to see there's a chance. Do the free spin so we can laugh if they're crazy or not. Crazy as in 2x. What happened to all the gems? What happened to all the gems? Where have all the cowboys gone? Oh my. Oh, there it isn't. Aw. God, people, we had a chance there. Oh yeah, of course, here you are now. Here you are, yeah. We get it, Mr. Mummy. Okay. Have no fear, there will be a part 3 to this. I'll be right back. Alright friends, I said there will be a part 3, and this is Act 3, Part 3. The part where we get a huge bonus on 10 cents. That cash collect showing up, that was not okay with me. And then, yeah, it was actually very okay with me, but him not dropping that gem, not cool, Mr. Mummy. Not cool one bit. Oh yeah. Yeah, indeed. Where is this bonus? Do you guys feel it coming? Oh, there's something. Okay, oh my goodness, okay. This is the at least $100 mini. Oh my gosh, people. Can we get the magic? Yeah. Guys, are we gonna get the grand? Okay, $200 maxi. We take it. Oh, I mean, the minor is better. That's so funny. It's just that everything was going to be relatively good on this, you know. When you're on 10 cents. Imagine just getting 2 from the grand and then just, you know. Bam, bam, boom. Do it again. Let's get a little redo. Can we get like a string of bonuses on this denomination? That would be a dream come true for a Mo Mummy aficionado like myself. Don't you think? We deserve it, people? Monkey box. I think we deserve it. Keep going. We want to see another $11 bonus. I dare you. On 10 cents. Come on. Monkey pots. Not all minis are created equal. Oh, he was right up there. A lot of crazy stuff is happening. It is Sunday night. Okay. Oh, I wish those Cleos were connecting over there. Come on, Cleopatra. Oh, there she is. Needed a few more of you. All right, people. Inflection point. Inflection point. We want to win. We want to... one more kitty right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, we got it, guys. Let's see how bad it can be. Let's see how bad it can be. It was $11 last time. I don't want to be... I'm being cynical and I'm being sarcastic, of course. But last time we got this, it was $11. Please, many more than that. Cash collect. Free games, whatever. Oh my god, what? Okay. Please green. Cash collect. Oh, okay. Big line hit. Oh, wow. It's gonna be, which one? Cash collect. Yes, it's a cash collect. Yes, people. It psyched me out so bad. We get the cash collect on a 10-cent, $5 bet. Is this gonna be magnificent? Are we gonna get everything we've ever dreamed of up there? Okay. Everyone, chill, relax. 10 cents, $5 bonus. Spin 2. I have to remember to breathe. Let's get some big numbers in here. Remember, if any of these progressives fall inside of here, we are happy. All of them are good. Okay, we like it. This is 10 cents, so let's go. Yes, keep it going. Oh, I saw progressive. I was thinking it was the mini. It's $100. We don't scoff at a $100 mini. It's hardly a mini. It's a biggie. Go. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Next page with all that. One more 0 on there. Okay, yeah, but let's not get too greedy. One more 0 on there, huh? Okay, Mr. Mommy, make it happen. Hello, mini. Bam. Okay, everyone concentrate your energy. Everyone concentrate your energy. Okay. 3 for 2. So please drop in a minor while we're at it, okay? Bam. Oh, what the? We don't like that. Excuse me? What's happening here? Guys, do it for me. 2. 150 bucks. Not bad. Wifey just texted me from the back. I think she got some kind of big bonus back there. Hey, we're still in free spins. Can we make this the greatest Mo Mummy video ever and get another one of these inside of this? I think we can. Okay, everyone calm down. Okay, let's go. Let's go. 174.50. We're cool with that. Okay, another one. Let's get another one. This is far exceeds the last one. Like all of them are very empty now. Do it again. Oh, Cleo. Oh, do it again. I dare you. Imagine. Oh, Cleo. Oh my God, people. Yes, it did it again. It did it again. All 3 this time. Guys, this is crazy. It's so hard to get 1 cash collect, let alone 2 on a $5 bet on 10 cents. Come on now. Make up for that last one. We didn't go far enough. The journey is the destination, I know. Getting to the last page is one thing, but we just want to keep this roller coaster going. We're smooth sailing right now. Let's go. Come on, Mr. Mummy. Yes. I don't know why I said yes. But I said yes to that first one for sure. Okay. The little ones are good. That's fine. Just dropping a big old progressive. 3 at once, huh? Okay. Everyone. Focus your attention to the mummy. Oh. Okay. Is gonna leave us in suspense. The last one. Okay, Mr. Mummy. Well, I didn't expect that much more from him, but getting 2 in 1 bonus, we'll just say we'll combine them together, right? That was 1 bonus. Okay. All right, let's do it in the last spin too. Why not? I present to you, Mo Mummy. Okay, Mr. Mummy. Do it again. Okay, re-trigger. Oh my goodness, do it. Oh yeah, that's. Do it. Okay. Alright. We liked it. Yeah. Count it up. Usually free spins are pretty sad, but these free spins were much appreciated. We'll have 2 backups and then we'll get out of Dodge. Oh yeah, pop it again. That would be absolutely fabulous. Okay, everyone focus. Do it again. Oh, there's a chance. Oh gosh, you don't know how bad I want to keep going, but I also don't want to lose. And wifey and I have been playing all day. We've been here for like 10 hours, eating, playing. I was playing poker on my phone online, and I think I got back most of my money. I think I put in 400 or something, so to get back one or whatever, I have to recalculate. But we're gonna take this. We got 10-cent bonuses. That was crazy getting that many cash collects twice inside there. Obviously they leave something to be desired, but that's what keeps you going, right? That's what these machines do. If they was gonna give like the grand or like a jackpot every single time, you'd feel satisfied and fulfilled and oh my gosh, look what I did, and you don't want to give it back. But when it's just that close and you feel like you're on the edge of a massive win that'll like, you know, do something great, like you can go Christmas shopping or like pay your rent or something, it's always like right there. But yeah, so this was awesome. Thank you for watching. We'll be back soon. Thank you. Oh, wifey just came and she saw. All right, we'll be back soon. Bye-bye.